Hi all, welcome back. Today I'm sharing easy cutlet recipe. It is ready in minutes, so let's start. I'm taking around 3 potatoes, peeled and boiled, 1 onion, some coriander leaves. In a food processor, I'm adding onion, coriander leaves, 2 red chillies and chopping them nicely. Now transfer it to a bowl. Now in this I'm adding some salt, a spoon of zira powder, a spoon of chaat masala powder, some red chilli powder and turmeric powder. Mix it very nicely. Now in this mixture I'm going to be adding boiled and mashed potatoes. Now mix everything finely. Now when it is mixed, take out a small portion. Now make a rough ball and gently pat it. If you want, you can add some cheese in the center or some boiled egg, whatever you want, some leftover sabzi, whatever you want in the middle. I'm adding some cheese cubes in the center. Now again, bringing the edges inside, making a flat cutlet shape. Going to dip this in 1 egg mixture, beaten egg, and then going to roll it over some breadcrumbs. So after doing this process for all the cutlets, I'm going to be frying them in some hot oil until both the sides are nice and crisp. So yummy cutlets are ready. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If yes, do share it with your friends. Subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.